Now, after dominating the recent Next Cup competition, Ballaz Academy were presented with their overall winners' trophy last Friday. Ballaz Academy emerged overall champions after capturing the under-9, under-11 and under-13 divisions. Here's Garfield Jones with the details.
The Next Cup grassroots competition attracted teams from across the island, but in the end it was Ballaz Academy who reigned supreme above all. Ballaz topped the overall championship based on the points-based system, which rewarded participation and performance across the different divisions. The Ballaz Academy, Paul Alexander, says success is more than what happened on the field of play for the academy.
So for us, success is way beyond winning trophies at this age. Winning the trophy is just a byproduct of the work that we're doing. Success for us, first of all, is that the boys fall in love with the game. And then second of all, at this age and stage, this foundational stage, is that we build capacity and we see them playing the game a particular way with enjoyment, freedom, dominating individually, and then beginning to dominate as a team, collectively. So we measure success a bit more than just winning the trophies.
And being the most successful academy at the youth level in Jamaica does come with a level of pressure to stay above the competition.
The pressure is an opportunity. The more the other teams begin to want to win and play harder and also improve, it's an opportunity for us to keep trying to do the things we are prioritizing at this age and stage. So we kind of embrace the pressure and see it as an opportunity.
But despite not placing an emphasis on winning titles, Alexander understands the importance of having something to show for their efforts.
Be very honest, we understand that whole pressure to win, we understand that whole desire to win. Winning is a part of the journey, but the journey is a long one, and for the boys, they can learn so much more they can learn a lot, not necessarily just by winning. To be very honest with you, at this age and stage, we're in a discussion as a community that winning is not a priority. Personally, as the director of football, none of my coaches are under any pressure to win.
The organizer of the Next Cup competition is exploring widening the tournament with the possibility of inviting overseas teams as a means of showcasing Jamaica as a destination for youth football development. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.